array of strings. A string is a one-dimensional array of characters. So an array of strings is a two-dimensional array of characters. We can also create a two-dimensional array of characters or array of strings. So here is how we can declare a two-dimensional array of characters. Let's take char ch underscore array of 3 is the number of rows and 10 is the number of columns. There are two subscripts which is equal to within the curly brace. So I am going to write, again I am going to open one more curly brace. Within that I am going to write Aravind. So each and every individual character will be in the single quotations. A in single quotation, comma R in single quotation, comma A is in single quotation, comma V is in single quotation, comma I is in single quotation, comma N is in single quotation, comma D is in single quotation, comma followed by null character, that is within the single quotation we need to write /0. Similarly, if you want to represent n number of names, then close it with a curly brace and put a comma followed by in the next name I am writing it as Hemastri. Within the single inverted commas I am writing all those again individual characters within single inverted commas and enclosing with the curly brace, comma, and the next one I am writing it as Visa. So Visa I am writing it in the single inverted commas. So there are three names which we need to enclose all those things within the curly brace and put a semicolon. So here if you can see the first row, that is 3, which denotes number of names, and 10 denotes the number of the size of each and every individual name. This can also be represented in another way, that is char ch underscore array of 3, 10 equal to within the curly brace I can directly write the names within the inverted commas, that is Aravind, comma Hemastri, comma Visa. All these individual names should be written in the inverted commas and close it with a semicolon. Close it with curly brace followed by semicolon. So this is how we are going to represent the array of strings. So the first subscript of an array here, whatever it is being denoted, 3 denotes the number of strings in the array, and the second subscript denotes the maximum length of the string. So here as part of the declaration, what compiler will consider is each character occupies 1 byte of data. So when the compiler sees the above statement like char ch underscore array of 310, which means it is allocating 3 into 10, that is 30 bytes of memory.
Let us see one example program. The next program is to implement the concept of array of string. So what do we mean by array of string? Array of string is being implemented with a two-dimensional array where the first subscript will be the number of strings and the second subscript will be the length of the string. So array of strings is nothing but it is implemented with the help of two-dimensional array where we are going to collect the list of names or the list of words according to the size. So whenever we see this kind of a notation, so in a two-dimensional array 310 indicates there are 3 names with 10 of size. Now here virtual learning I have given which is greater than 10, but if you see in the output you will be getting only till 10, and I am printing those contents of whatever I have written in the names. Okay, now let us execute this code and check what is the output we are going to get it. So here the array of strings are in string, that is learning. The first one is learning, and I am incrementing this names by 1. If I am incrementing this names value by 1 indicates this is 0th, this is first, and this is the second one. So till there I am executing this for loop. That is why I am writing plus I. Next one is through learning, and the other one is through. Next virtual learning I have written, but the size of each and every individual string is only up to 10. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 10 we got Virtulearn. Next, learning. So ing we didn't get it, right? So this is what the implementation and usage of array of strings. Suppose if you want to read this string as well, then if I am writing this as, let's say 20, which means there are three strings or 3 words, each of size 20 characters length. Now let me execute once again, then you will also see the virtual learning as well. So the first string you will be getting as learning, and the second one is through, and the third one you are going to get as virtual learning. So now you can see virtual learning. So this is what the concept behind the array of strings.